All right, you ready to go? You had your Fornos experiences? Sag it.
Wait. That's a map.
Okay. To you. To Carter. Thank you. So I'm here to celebrate January 16th, 2023. 65 today at Fornos of Newark. So you can see the thick cut T-bone and the seafood and rice and shrimp. And Carter, what do you have to say about all this, right? And the nice vegetables.
Wow.
And the plate of shrimp and paella. So, all right, so thank you very much for the gift, okay? Thank you very much for Grandpa 65, okay? You like this restaurant? Yeah, a map of Spain. You want to see it? How to get there? So there it is, and there is the seafood plate. This is the T-bone, which is thickly cut and thickly. There's a steak with the bone, a T-bone on the bone. The chips, the rice, the paella, the Julia, the Heather, and Carter. So this is the birthday cake from 65. And it's got a little bit of whipped cream and a nice candle for 65 here at Fornos in Newark.
It's not cold anymore.
On January 2023.
You want some? Ice cream?
And I just got my happy birthday. This is the best birthday I think you have. This is my best birthday. Look at that ice cream, wow. And the cake. Little Dillos. So, gonna enjoy a piece of flan from Fornos of Newark. Delicious. Thank you. Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, Mega Millions ticket.
Wow, Mega Millions.
You want ice cream?
And right there.
I bring you ice cream.
What's that drawing?
I ordered ice cream for us.
When's this drawing?
The other night.
From the other night.